Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make this super easy and delicious garlic parmesan popcorn from scratch. So let's get into it. You're going to need some popcorn kernels, of course, some granulated garlic, Parmesan cheese, and some butter. You can use fresh garlic if you prefer, but I feel like in this case you should use granulated garlic. I'm not sure if like your date or whoever you're making it for, you're making it for yourself, if they'll like, the garlic pieces in the popcorn. So right here I have some garlic oil from a recipe that I made earlier. So I'm going to use this garlic oil right here, which is going to add even more flavor. Make sure you follow the directions on the back of your popcorn package. That's pretty much what I'm doing here. And I'm doing a cup of popcorn to this big old pot because they do make a lot. And this is what it looks like. You want to shimmy it around a little bit. And it doesn't take long at all. And then I'm going to cover it and let them pop away. As you can see, they start popping immediately. You got to keep your stove kind of high though. I think I'm on number eight. And I'm letting it go and go until they get nice and popped. Alright, so now let's make the butter sauce, which is going to be the butter, the granulated garlic. I decided to put some dried parsley just to add a pop of color because, popcorn is white. And I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese here, but I'm going to put the bulk of it when we actually put the popcorn in a bowl. So all you want to do is put it on the stove and melt it down just like this. Y'all, first of all, as soon as it hit the heat, the smell was just, and y'all, as soon as it hit the popcorn, it was even better. But this is what the popcorn looks like. This is actually a huge bowl. I wish the camera could pick it up for y'all to see how big it is. That 1 cup of kernel definitely made a lot. So I'm using a spoon to spoon on the butter. I didn't want to just pour the whole thing on there like that. So yes, I'm going to keep pouring it on here just like this. You want to mix it up. And y'all, it just smells so good. It adds such a nice touch and flavor to the popcorn. It's definitely going to take your popcorn to the next level and give it that really nice touch. If you want to be at home just having fun, we're all in quarantine. The kids could do this with you. It's so easy to make. And as I said, I'm going to start grating even more Parmesan cheese. The popcorn is still warm. The butter was warm. So everything melted together. You want to add some salt. Mix it up, and this is what it looks like. I ate so much of this popcorn. It was so good and had a good garlic flavor. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.